Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I received this comment from Yusuf. Mr. Haseeb, can you please explain this IC for what? 02317A. It is not 02317A. Its part number is O2317A. It is O2317A datasheet. Open in the Google Chrome and search it. The first website, that is all datasheet. You can check this one, or you can check ti.com. It is manufacturer, Texas Instruments. You can check any one of them. So it is OPA2317. We can download it. When we see datasheet, we need to understand its voltage, inputs, outputs, pinout, and different parameters. Let's study it. It is a family, OPA317, and its marking on the component, that is O317. Either it is A, either it is 317. Then OPA2317, the marking on the component, that will O2317. And OPA4317. Let me show the pinout or the package style. I will check here, image. Yes, this is the IC. The marking is O2317. And if we check here, new 10 pieces, OPA2317. The marking is O2317, and it looks like 02317. Exactly, it is OPA2317. It is Zerø-Drift family. The operational amplifiers in Zerø-Drift families that have very low input offset. That is difference between both inputs, inverting and non-inverting. And here it is mentioning that low offset voltage around 20 microvolt typical. So it is too much sensitive, and it can compare the difference above than 20 microvolts. Its supply voltage are 1.8 volt to 5.5 volts. It is available in different packages in SOT, SC, SOIC, and SSOP, SOIC-8. It is available in 5-pin, 8-pin, and 14-pin package. All the three numbers have different pinout. We will see it in detail. Here are applications. It is in battery powered instruments, temperature measurements, transducers, electronic scales, medical instruments. So we can say it is working in special low power and sensitive equipment. And if you see its input voltage, so it can work from 1.8 volts or dual power supply, 0.9 positive, 0.9 negative, up to 5.5 volt single supply or dual supply 2.75. So it is used in low power applications with high sensitivity. I will give the link of this datasheet in the video description. You can find it. OPA317. It is 5-pin component in SMD, SOT. Pin 1 is output, pin 3 is non-inverting, and pin 4 is inverting input. And if we see SC70 package, so it will in this shape. If we see OPA317 in SOIC, it will become in this pinout. And OPA2317, which is in the question, so it have two operational amplifiers. 317, that is generic number for this operational amplifier family. 2 means it have two operational amplifiers. Pin 1 is output, pin 2 is inverting, pin 3 is non-inverting, pin 5 non-inverting, pin 6 inverting, and pin 7 is output. Pin 8 positive supply, pin 4 negative supply. Either we can use in single supply or we can use in dual power supply, in positive and negative supplies. Here is the function of these pins. Either it is input or output. Then here is OPA2317. Its marking is O4317 and it have 4 operational amplifiers. Difference in this IC that it is too much sensitive and its input voltage are maximum 5.5 volts. Here are maximum ratings. Supply voltage maximum, that is absolute maximum rating 7 volt. Above than 7 volt will damage. So signal input maximum and minimum 0.3 volt. This is the maximum limit. The recommended operating voltage from 1.8 volts to 5.5 volts. Then here are electrical characteristics. Input offset voltage when supply voltage are 5 volt. So typical 20 microvolt is offset. With change in temperature, it can reach up to plus minus 100 microvolt. So this IC is very sensitive IC. We must take care when we are using, when we are testing. We can damage this IC by touching to its inputs. Common mode voltage 0.1 volt plus minus. CMRR, common mode rejection ratio, that is 95 dB. Here is detailed description. Overview. OPA317 series family is low power rail-to-rail input and output amplification amplifier. Typically input bias current is 200 picoampere. So it is very low power consuming device. Input differential voltage, EMI suitability and input filtering, device functioning modes, different parameters and its applications are described here. Typical application, how we can use it and how it will work. Here is the detailed design discussion, how it works internally. I will give the link of this datasheet in the video description. You can download it, you can read it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, kindly write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.